Hello, I'm going to compare Cloudwatch versus Grafana. Which monitoring tool is better? So Amazon Cloudwatch is a native AWS monitoring and observability service for AWS resources and applications, while Grafana is an open source analytics and visualization platform that aggregates data from various sources for unified dashboards. Pros: Cloudwatch, deep integration with the AWS services, automatic metrics collection, and robust alerting features out of the box. Grafana, highly customizable dashboards, supports multiple data sources, and excellent for cross-platform visibility. Cons: CloudWatch, mostly tied to AWS ecosystem and can become costly at scale, and UI is less intuitive than Grafana. Grafana requires setup and external data sources. Alerting and permissions can be complex to configure initially, so in conclusion, use CloudWatch if you're fully invested in the AWS ecosystem and want seamless integrated monitoring. Choose Grafana for flexible, visually rich dashboards that consolidate metrics from multiple environments and tools.